Hi, Eugene Silberstein here, and I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about my brand new book, Electricity, Theory, and Applications. Throughout this comprehensive book, you will find features that are intended to enhance the learning process while providing additional guidance and insight into the content being presented. Two of the most prevalent features that appear in this work are Know the Code and Shedding Light. The Know the Code element guides the reader to appropriate portions of the National Electric Code for additional information and specific code and guideline materials to support the text. The Shedding Light feature provides straightforward, sidebar conversation of sorts, giving the reader additional perspectives, insights, and commentaries on the main text content. As safety is a primary concern for everyone working on or around electric circuits, systems, and equipment, you'll find another element appropriately called safety alerts throughout the book. It is within this feature that important safety-related issues are stressed. Of course, safety is addressed everywhere in the book, not only in these easy-to-locate highlighted boxes. When formulas and calculations are presented, numerous examples of how these formulas are used and how these calculations are performed are provided. These examples guide the reader step by step through the process of utilizing, manipulating, and navigating these mathematical expressions. These examples are followed by another important and exciting element in the book called Now It's Your Turn. It is here that the reader will have the opportunity to perform calculations and solve problems on their own, utilizing the methods outlined in the preceding examples. The answers to the Now It's Your Turn exercises are not provided within the feature itself. Instead, these answers are provided in the appendix at the end of the book. With math being a major pain point for some learners, the Math Sidebar feature is intended to help alleviate math trauma. The Math Sidebar feature provides short tutorials and reviews of mathematical concepts for those who could benefit from some additional assistance provided by these short refreshers. These features are presented in a manner that will not pose distractions to those who are mathematically strong, while providing guidance to those who stand to benefit from this additional content. I'm also really excited that this book includes 3 levels of chapter assessment questions. These levels test basic knowledge retention, but also call on the students to apply and analyze data while strengthening their critical thinking skills. It is my sincere hope that you find the information and insights provided in this book useful, and that the time you'll dedicate to learn the concepts presented in it will indeed be time well spent. And I hope you enjoy my new book, Electricity, Theory, and Applications.